How to create an email alias in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to create an email alias. Click the Mail tab. Then click on the email address for which you want to create an alias. Click the Email Aliases tab. Now enter one or more email aliases for this email address. Click OK to create the aliases. That's it. Now when someone sends email to either admin@mybiz1234.com or johnny@mybiz1234.com, those emails will arrive in the john@mybiz1234.com email account. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create email aliases in Plesk.